guys, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Conan and today I'm going to be taking you guys through my entire morning routine. So it started off relatively early. I go into the bathroom, wash my face, brush my teeth, do all that kind of stuff. Then I put some cream on my face just for my acne and stuff. After that, this is a morning tradition. I always weigh myself every single morning on an empty stomach. And then I'll take the average of my week and see if I either gained weight or lost weight. And then obviously mandatory physique update, you already know. Then I take my morning supplements, so nothing special here, just a multivitamin and some fish oils. And then this may seem really weird to you guys, but I've actually been doing this for almost a week now and I've seen great results in my cold shower experiences. So this isn't really meditating, but it's a form of meditation. It's basically just some breathing exercises, and yeah, you'll see later in today's video why I do these. So definitely stick around, watch the entire video, and let's get this day started. Alright, so now that we're kind of awake, it's time to write on our to-do list. So I literally got this board yesterday and it's so more convenient to just write stuff down you have to do and just crossing them off as you go. So you don't need a whiteboard, just write it on a piece of paper, write down what you have to do in the day, and it just makes your life so much easier. You'll most likely end up doing everything you put down on your to-do list. So highly recommend it, and it's a great start to the day. So as you guys can see, there's not really much on my board right now. There's only a couple things because I feel like once you start putting down like every single minor thing, it gets kind of tedious. So just make sure you put like a couple of the most important things you know you have to do in that day. So for me, for example, I know I gotta film this YouTube video. I have to make 2 TikToks today. That's like my daily plan, to make at least 2 TikToks every single day. This is just part of my normal routine, but it's just good to write it down. Push workout, 10k steps, and then work on school stuff. So yeah, now that I have it on the board, I know exactly what to do today. And then as I go throughout my day, I just cross stuff off, and it's so satisfying to just cross stuff off your list. With that said, let's get this day started. Alright guys, so we are back on the school grind. So yeah, the semester started this past week. So yeah, I will be a lot more busier now, and I got my school schedule right over here. So I know exactly when my classes are. So I got a class from 10 to 10:50, and then another from 11:30 to 12:50. So yeah, that's the school schedule for today. And as you guys know, I'm not a big breakfast eater. Like I don't want to eat right now. Like I just do not even want to think about food. It's just nope, not happening. So yeah, first things in the morning, I feel pretty productive, like with an empty stomach. So yeah, I'm just gonna do some work, be productive, and then go to those classes, and then probably eat the first meal of today. Alright guys, so the online classes are done for today, and now you already know, time for a morning walk. So yeah, I pretty much do these as often as I can. Just I haven't been doing them a lot lately because I work full time, and on days when I work I'm extremely busy. So all I do is I just get up, do my online classes, and then I go to the gym, and then I go to work. So yeah, and I get a lot of steps in at work as well, so don't really have to worry about my morning walk. But yeah, on days when I'm not working, I do enjoy these morning walks because it just allows me to get my steps in. And as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, it has helped me tremendously to stay lean year round. So definitely recommend you to incorporate these into your morning routine as well. Also, what these morning walks allow me to do is just to brainstorm about pretty much anything. So I brainstorm like YouTube video ideas, I brainstorm Instagram captions, whatever, just pretty much anything creative I just think about on these morning walks, because it really allows you to kind of have like your alone time in a way. So yeah, you get to just think about a lot of things. On top of that, you get your steps in, obviously, you get some fresh air, you get to walk in nature. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, so now that most of the schoolwork is done for today, it is time for my favorite part of the day, workout time. So I know a lot of people who like to work out first thing in the morning, and that's completely fine. I just feel like doing the most mentally difficult tasks first thing in the morning works better for me, because then I can put all of my energy and focus towards that one thing. And then after that, after I'm mentally drained, I go to the gym to get physically drained. So yeah, not sure if that made sense or not, but that's the way I like to do it. So yeah, in the morning I like to do like my schoolwork, social media stuff, whatever, and then in the afternoon time I like to go to the gym and physically exert myself. So yeah, that is pretty much part of my, I guess, morning routine. So yeah, with that said, let's go work out. guys, so as we are approaching the end of the day, it's time to look at our to-do list and see if we achieved everything. So looking at our to-do list, we did do a push workout, so cross that out. It's so satisfying. We did get our 10K steps in, and in case you don't trust me, here's some evidence. Now obviously, like, Apple Health app isn't the most accurate, but as long as you're consistently inconsistent with whatever app you use, it's good. So yeah, I'm gonna take that. So cross that off as well. We did work on school stuff this morning, so really happy with that. Make 2 TikToks. I did make 2 TikToks, and if you don't trust me, you're gonna have to follow my TikTok because I've been grinding on there these past couple of months, so you should follow me because, like, why not? Cross that off as well. And we are very close to finishing this one up here, filming a YouTube video. There's still a couple of things I need to do, so let's get into it. So as you guys saw from earlier today, we did our breathing exercises. So I did them to pretty much enhance my cold shower experience. So it sounds really weird, but basically, I don't know if you guys watched my cold shower video, but in that video I explained why I did it. And I mentioned how I was in the midst of reading a book by Wim Hof called The Way of the Iceman or something, and I just finished reading it. And apparently you're supposed to do your breathing exercises before you hop in the cold shower because you're supposed to control your breath when the cold water hits you. So if you watched my previous video, you'd see me like panicking every time the water hits me, whereas now I've done this for like a week now, and literally my breathing is so much better when I go into the cold shower. So I'm not like panicking, I'm literally just controlling my breath. So basically the goal is whatever you do right now, you're trying to replicate that into the cold shower. It's obviously easier said than done, but by simply just practicing it every single day, twice a day, you'll see pretty good results. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now before we end today's video. So yeah, all I do is just 30 breaths in through my nose and then out through my mouth. Repeat that 30 times. When you're done, you hold your breath for as long as you can. So just until like you pretty much suffocate. So yeah, do that. And I'm gonna hop into the cold shower and try to replicate those 30 nice and controlled breath. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, here we go. I'm gonna show you how much I've improved since last video. So I'm gonna turn the water on, and as soon as it turns on, I'm gonna fully submerge myself in it while still doing my breathing exercises. I'll show you right now. Ooh, that was not bad at all. Now I know that looked very suspicious because I did not react at all to the cold water hitting me, but just trust me guys, you gotta trust me here. It was very cold, like the water was cold, like it's all the way to like the farthest down it could go to like the coldness. I just responded a lot better to it because of my breathing technique. So yeah, trust me, it wasn't warm water. I wouldn't lie to you guys because if I lie to you, I'm just lying to myself. So just it was cold. Yeah. Alright guys, so just crossed the last thing off the list, film a YouTube video. So pretty much that's the entire day wrap. So I hope you guys took something out of this video. I know I didn't just show you guys my whole morning routine. On top of that, I showed you guys some other things that I do in my life, but I do genuinely believe that, hang on, is this good lighting? Like the light makes the shadow look a lot bigger, so that's even worse, man. Jeez, okay, this is a struggle. Anyway, as I was saying before, I do genuinely believe that having a good morning routine pretty much just set yourself up to have a good rest of your day. If you have a crappy morning routine, you don't do anything in the morning, you just lay around on your phone and do nothing, like you're not really setting yourself up to have a good day. Like if you start with like a bang, do something productive, take a cold shower, do something good, like the rest of your day will most likely be good as well. So that's the biggest thing I want you guys to take away from this video, is to just set yourself a good morning routine. Doesn't really matter what you do necessarily, just as long as it is productive. Also, on top of that, I do really recommend you guys to have like one of these to-do lists. Like they are so helpful. Like I've only had this for like a week now, but literally just writing down everything you have to do in the day and then just crossing it off as you go. It's so helpful because it clarifies your day and you know exactly what you have to do that day. So definitely good morning routine and or a to-do list are the biggest takeaways from today's video, and I hope you guys will implement those into your daily routine as well because they've helped me tremendously. Anyway, with that said, I sincerely hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to go give this video a thumbs up I would highly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.